So the stock market dropped hard yesterday. The Dow Jones dropped another 500 points. So really ridiculous. It actually went up a bit at the beginning of the day, and then it just dropped. It's so funny how many stocks are dropping hard. Like, it's completely unrelated with the individual stocks. It has nothing to do with the individual stocks' performance. And this is definitely not the average investor panicking, calling their brokers to sell, or going on Questrade and selling. This is definitely big volume. This is millions of dollars being sold every day. This is definitely big players. So it has nothing to do with actual facts or numbers or economy. Could even be the Chinese selling their stake in US stocks just to hurt the United States. Because it's definitely big players that's creating this sell-off, because there's just too much volume. So the good part about that is that it has nothing to do with the stocks. So the companies aren't the problem. It's just external factors. Once they go away, then the stock market will rebound, and whoever bought during this dip or during this correction is going to benefit. I mean, earnings are coming out from every company, and they're all good. They're all beating expectations. It's funny, actually. While everything was going down yesterday, L brands went up 11% yesterday. 11% L brands. I actually tried to sell it so I can buy something else, but my order didn't go through. But it looks like stock market is rebounding today. It's starting. Pre-market is going up, but who knows? Maybe when the market opens, it's going to drop again. Wanted to talk about Square. It's a payment processing company. I actually use it for my income tax preparation business. It's actually really great. So it comes with, they send you this little thing here. It's free, and you just plug it to your phone jack, your earphone jack in your phone, and you just swipe. You download an app, and you just swipe the credit card. And their fees are not so bad. It's 2.65% of the transaction, whether it's a MasterCard, a Visa, or an Amex. Actually, what's great is that even an Amex is 2.65%, and usually Amex fees are higher. And I think you could pay with debit and gift cards and other things. So it's really, they're improving their services. It's really simple, really easy to use. The amount gets deposited in your bank account one business day after. So it's really good for the seller, for the merchant. So they've been doing well this year, except yesterday the stock dropped 11% or 10%. I think it's one of the biggest stocks one of the biggest drops yesterday was from Square, but it looks like today pre-market is up 7%. So it's total mess, absolutely makes no sense. But if it was going to continue to drop today, I would probably buy some Square, because it's something that I use and I like it very much. And so easy, like you can take it with you. So compact, you don't have to carry those big machines with digits and dials. So now the issue with the stock market is, do you buy now or do you wait? So it depends how much money you have, of course. But the thing is, there's two scenarios that could happen, right? If stock market continues to drop, then great. If you can buy when it crashes or when it drops even more. But what if it comes back up? If it comes back up, then you just missed out on buying during this correction, buying these discount prices. So how do you take advantage of both scenarios? So in my opinion is you take advantage of both scenarios. You buy a bit now, and you buy a bit in case it drops some more. If it doesn't drop some more, well then, and you didn't put everything right now, well, at least you put some right now, right? You participated in this correction. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to participate in this correction. If it continues to drop more, I'll definitely try to participate again. If it doesn't, if it goes back up, well, at least I put something in right now. So this week I bought some DFN.to, Dividend 15 Split Corp. I'm looking to buy something today. I'm not sure yet. So many opportunities. Everything's down. I'm trying to look at individual stocks that dropped hard. That's why I was looking at Square, but it looks like it's going to rebound today. So it's going to be up 7%. I know DF.to, Dividend 15 Split Corp 2, dropped hard also. It's trading around 4.17, I think. So maybe I can buy that. It's not paying dividends right now for sure, but when it starts paying dividends, it's going to be a crazy yield. It's going to be a crazy yield if you buy it at this price, probably around like 26%. It's going to be 10 cents per share. So 10 cents divided by 4.17 times 12. That's the yield that you'll be getting once they start paying the dividends. I mean, Ford looks attractive to me right now, under $9. Yield is almost 7% per year. Facebook, I think, is trading around 153, but everything is going back up today, this morning. We'll see what happens when the market actually opens. Alibaba was at the 130s yesterday, closed at 141, 142. So it could be a good one too, long term. But now that I know that it reached 130, I want to buy it at 130. I don't want to buy it at 140. You got Bank of Nova Scotia. Yeah, closed at 71 point something yesterday. Definitely a good price to buy it at. A safe stock, a bank stock, pays almost 5% dividends right now at this price. And it's at a 52-week low, so eventually it's going to go back up to its 52-week high and surpass it. Bank stocks always go up, and this is a big bank. So BNS.TO is definitely a good one right now. But I already bought some at 76, so I want to make sure there's at least a 10% gap between the next purchase. But if I don't find something else, I'll probably just buy some more BNS.TO because it's still a good price, and it's a safe stock. Bank stocks, there's no risk really. Big name bank stocks is the safest stocks you can buy. Amazon is looking good too. It's trading at 1700. It's actually trading at like what it was trading at 6 months ago. So for those who want to get in on Amazon, could be good. I didn't check Google, but probably it's trading around 1000. Could be good also. GM also trading at 32, paying almost 5% dividends per year also. And it's a stock on Warren Buffett's list. It's at a 52-week low, 52-week high. 52-week high, I believe, was 45, and 1 year target price is also like 46, 47. Pepsi is getting close to that $100 mark, trading at 105, pays good dividends as well. Procter & Gamble broke the 80s yesterday. It's trading at 78. So I think 52-week low was 72, so it's getting close. So definitely some big name stocks to watch because they're very safe to buy. You can buy them and not worry, and you're buying them at a discount in the sense that it's at a 52-week low compared to the chart. And these big name stocks always go up. People always want to buy these stocks. So because people want to buy it, the price is going to go up. There's going to be more demand than supply eventually. So these are some stocks that are looking good right now. So definitely not to panic, not to sell. Don't follow the crowd. Definitely don't follow the crowd. Do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. What I'm going to do, and you're free to do what you want, but I'm definitely going to try to buy right now the individual stocks that dropped more than the others and dropped more than the general market. And if next week the market continues to drop, then I'll wait for a 10% gap and buy something else, because I'm confident it has nothing to do with the individual stocks. There's something else controlling the stock market, whether it's big banks, day traders, the Chinese investors. I don't know. I don't really care either. Don't want to bother myself with that stuff. Let them play around, but I just want to take advantage of the correction, of the fluctuation, so that my portfolio grows. But I do that by playing with stocks that I'm confident are not going to disappear. I don't need to take the risk because I can still make decent gains with blue chip stocks. All right, so we'll see how the market reacts today. Tonight I'll try to upload a video on what's in my stock market portfolio this week. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can email me directly on my website. Once again, if you can open an account with Questrade, use my referral code in the description below the video so you can get between $25 and $250 depending on your initial deposit. If you like my videos, please like them, share them with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.